The Nabisco cookie factory was built in 1949 and stretches nearly a quarter of a mile. This factory produced Oreos, Fig Newtons, and Chips Ahoy for the southern United States. Today, the TMC Innovation Factory produces new medical devices, new cancer therapies, and digital technologies that transform the way we care for patients. Dr. Tom Luby heads the TMC Innovation Factory. Here, we are dedicated to assisting emerging companies in their journey to bring new technologies to market. We have relationships with all of the TMC institutions and partnerships with several countries around the world. We have brought over 300 companies through our Health Tech Accelerator in the past 7 years, and we typically have about 50 companies in residence throughout the year. TMC has formed many partnerships with industry. ABB is a robotics company that has built its only healthcare research and development site in the world here at TMC Innovation Factory. ABB works with all TMC institutions to better understand how robots can remove high-volume, repetitive, and critical tasks in the hospital and research labs. Here you see our robot named Yumi, processing lab samples at a rate 50% faster than a human, with the added benefit that Yumi also works 24 hours a day. Together, we envision robots supporting our clinicians and researchers throughout TMC. As we continue our journey, you will see that we have a space developed for co-working where our companies can reside in their early days of maturation. In addition, we have built space where our partners can office and help support the growth of our startup community. As we traverse down the hall, we come to one of the most special medical device makers space in the world. It is the Center for Device Innovation, which is led by world-renowned heart surgeon and serial entrepreneur, Dr. Billy Cohn. This 26,000 square foot facility was designed to provide all of the tools necessary to imagine, design, build, and test medical devices, including 3D printers and scanners, laser cutters, and even a virtual reality room to see the product in the operating theater. CDI has developed many novel devices which are now moving through the regulatory path to commercialization. We also run the TMC Biodesign program, where we recruit and assemble multidisciplinary teams from around the world and place them in our hospitals to identify new opportunities to advance medicine. These solutions can be new advanced medical devices or digital technology that advances patient care. We also have an accelerator for cancer therapeutics program that is funded through CPRIT, which supports the development of novel cancer therapeutics throughout the state of Texas. Finally, we are extremely excited to announce the TMC Innovation Factory Labs. 100,000 square feet of wet labs to support emerging life science companies that are developing novel therapies and bioprinting new organs. What was once a Nabisco cookie factory is now the global accelerator that drives TMC's diverse alliance of early-stage innovators. The TMC Innovation Factory empowers entrepreneurs from across the world to push the limits of discovery and bring their solutions to life faster.